2 and respected listener. A very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Today I will deliver the lecture on factor affecting chemical equilibrium symbolized by that is of Kc, which is selected from BSc Part 2, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 3, titled as that is of chemical equilibrium. Dear student, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on our previous lecture, in which we have delivered two important factors, influence that is of equilibrium constant that is of Kc. First one we have discussed in the classroom by means of mode of the reactants. Second one we have discussed the stoichiometry of the reactant and that is the product. One reacted in chemical reaction in reversible reactions. Now today I will proceed today's lecture the factors affecting of that is of chemical equilibrium Kc. Third one, that is the let us proceed mode of representation, the amount of that is of substances here. Dear students, I mentioned here on the blackboard two types of the reactions, reversible reactions. First one, reaction A plus B reacts with each other to produce that is of C plus D, and second one that is of in this case A and B, suppose we are using that is of concentration in active mass in mole per liter or in liquid or solid phase. In such a position the value of Kc one can calculate, one can write here active mass of C into active mass of D upon active mass of A into that is of active mass of B. Say that is of equation number 1. Try to understand once again. Kc is also influenced by the amount of substance, nature of substance. In other words, Kc is also affected by that is of phases state also. Suppose reactant and product are present in liquid or solid phase. In such a positions, active mass concentration will be expressed in the form of, in respect of active mass, in such a position Kc is equals to active mass of C into active mass of D divisible by active mass of A and active mass of B. Say that is the equation number 1. Next one, suppose A and B, C and D are using here we know A and B denote as that is of reactants here, C and D denotes here that is of products here. Dear students, there are so many reactions in the environment of inorganic and organic chemistry. Suppose in chemical reaction, in reversible chemical reaction, suppose all the reactants and products are present in that is of gaseous phase. In such a position, the concentration will be expressed in terms of partial pressure, because according to the kinetic theory of the gases, partial pressure is the fundamental property of the gases. Internally molecules collide to produce, and overall the partial pressure of the net pressure one can calculate in terms of that is a partial pressure. In such a position, active mass here C and D will be replaced by that is of active mass of that is of partial pressure of C and that into that is a partial pressure of D upon partial pressure of A into that is a partial pressure of B. Say that is the equation number 2 here. I mean to say in this one equation number 1, reactants and products are we are using here in terms of liquids, solids or active mass, but in the case of this one equation number 2 we are using here partial pressure in terms of the concentration for gases here. I mean to say here A and B are using reactants present in gases, and similarly C and D product produced are which we are using here in the form of gaseous state, since we know their partial pressure that is the fundamental property of the gases. Here in place of Kc will be replaced here the equilibrium constant Kp is equals to Pc into Pd upon Pa Pb. Say equation number 2, where Pa Pb Pc Pd and Pa Pb Pc and Pd denote the partial pressure of A, B, C and that is of D. Next one, factors influence that is of equilibrium constant Kc, that is of temperature. It will be explained by Le Chatelier principle, and depending upon whether the reactions are exothermic or that is of endothermic reactions here. Dear students of BSc Part 2, there are two types of the fundamental classification of the reaction, exothermic and endothermic reactions. On the behalf of Le Chatelier principle, it can be explained very easily that temperature also influence exothermic and that is of endothermic reaction in detail, in depth, conceptual dependency of Kc using Le Chatelier principle by means of temperature we will deliver in our coming timings in our next lecture. But you must be remembered here that temperature also influence the value of equilibrium constant also stated by that is of Le Chatelier principle. Next topic I will deliver today here. Let us proceed today's here. Relationship between Kp and that is of Kc here. Dear students, Kp and Kc, we are going to establish the quantitative relationship between that is of Kp and that is of Kc here. Suppose we consider here, we assume here, in order to establish the quantitative relationship between Kp and Kc, once again I repeat here, Kp for gaseous state equilibrium constant and that is of Kc equilibrium constant for liquid, solid or for that is of active mass condition. Here I am considering here, let us assume a reversible reaction in which which the reactants and products are present here, participating here in the form N:2M here. N1 mole of A reacts N2 mole of B to produce M1 mole of C to produce that is of M2 mole of D. In such a position, the value of Kc, suppose we are considering initially here A and B, C and D in the form of liquid and that is of solid. I mean to say, suppose we are using here the concentration of active mass, I mean bracket form, all the reactant and product will be mentioned into that is of bracket form here, and by the fundamental concept and by using the fundamental theory of that is of Kc, one can write here the multiplication of product of that is of active mass divisible by the fundamental product of that is active mass of the reactor and their powers. One can write here that is of the value of Kc equilibrium constant. Once again, now may I request you all the students of BSc Part 2 here. In our case, first we are assuming here A and B, C and D both are present in liquid and that is of solid state and the value of Kc. We will deliver it that is of tomorrow by means of that is of Kp when we are assuming here A, B, C and D which we are using that is of gaseous phase here. Thank you very much.